Inflation is out of control. I just spent $1.21 for a single apple, $14.38 for a 3-way light bulb. But you want to know what I got for free? I made a step stool from scrap wood I found in the alley, a dustpan, and a pencil cup made from junk laying around my garage. I found this drawer in the alley and turned it into a mug rack. I made a coat rack from a piece of wood I found on the street. And this lamp made from a log from a tree that I cut down. Now that was a bright idea. So if you want to fight inflation, be sure to watch Allie Picked.